Futures trading is the best way how you can make money in the trading world. So I'll teach you a slick but simple and very favorite strategy of mine where I'll teach you how to trade the Nifty futures or any futures as well. You can trade this strategy and use it on any futures, and this really works. And I have tested it with almost about 87.5% of profits on a regular basis. This strategy goes like this. You have to draw a Fibonacci retracement from 9:15 till 11. Whatever the highest it goes to or lowest it goes to, so you'll have to draw Fibonacci retracement from the lowest to the highest or highest to the lowest, whatever has happened in between 9:15 to 11. Let's give a right example as to how we actually do that. We will determine what is the highs or the lows in between 9:15 to 11 o'clock mark. So the low over here is 19,402. I have considered Nifty futures. So the lowest over here is, okay, so this is 11.6. So we'll only consider what is there till 11 o'clock. If it has gone to the lows after 11, we will not consider that. The lowest is 19,402. It has gone, the highest it has gone up to is 19,463.4 level. So now we will draw the Fibonacci retracement from the lowest to the highest because it has risen from the lows to the highs in between 9:15 to 11. So Fibonacci retracement is what I'll select here. To draw it almost accurately, I'll try to press the control key and then zoom in a bit. So the low over here is 402.25. Can it go? Okay, so 402.7 it is. Okay, now let's go to the highest it has clocked up to. So the highest here is 19,463.4. So let's zoom in a bit. Whatever is very nearby, 63.3 is good enough as of now. Right. So now we have already drawn the Fibonacci retracement, and once it goes above this one level or below this zero level is when we will actually trade. So here it has gone below. So the first candle has to go below the Fibonacci retracement and stay over there. If it opens below this Fibonacci retracement level, we will not take the trade. It has to pierce through the Fibonacci retracement. These are called as slip away trades. So it goes below and afterwards it recovers and comes back. It has to pierce through the Fibonacci retracement. That's the way we'll take the trade. It has not pierced over here. It has to stay below the Fibonacci retracement, and in the next level also it has to be a negative trade, and on the next trade if it has pierced through this Fibonacci retracement, we'll take the trade on the third candle where it has gone below, and if it is above, then we will look into this scenario here. So here it has gone above. Look at this, it has pierced here, and the next candle has closed above in this particular candle, and now in the third candle we will be taking the trade over here, and the stop loss will be the previous consolidation zone. So the previous consolidation zone is where at least 3 or 4 candles have stopped at that particular level. So this is the nearest previous consolidation zone. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Click the bell icon next to that. So let's draw a horizontal line here, which is the consolidation zone. So we have about 3 or 4 candles stopping over here as well. So this will become a consolidation zone. This will become our stop loss. That is 3 points below this will become our stop loss. 19,449 will be our stop loss, and trade will profit at 1.382 levels. So that will be our target zone. So here it has gone all the way up to 1.382, and afterwards it has reversed. That's great. So it has gone up to 1.382 we hit our profit zone over here. So that's the Fibonacci retracement futures trading strategy, which you can employ on a daily basis and get lots of profits. I have tested this on a regular basis. I now trade with algorithms. I don't have to trade manually. If you are looking to get the basics of stock market, refer to the first link in the description below. This is my book, The Basics of Stock Market for Beginners. If you have any questions at all, please mention it in the comment. In this video, I'll show you how to trade the binary options and how to make it profitable. In this video, I'll show you basics of stock market and how does it perform. We keep on trading and we keep on testing the waters, and as and when the new strategies actually come up which are really profitable, I'll keep on sharing it with you.